So one of the things that I do when I'm teaching is I always incorporate some sort of contemporary or popular culture into my discussions of literature. I teach literature written 400 plus years ago, so that can be really alienating for students, and it's hard for them to see the translation of ideas and principles from one period in time to another. And being a literature instructor, you get that privilege of incorporating these disparate texts and showing how they react to each other or interact with each other. So for instance, if I'm teaching a 16th century poem, I might have to introduce students to the concept of heraldry, or the idea that family names and noble houses are defined by these crests. And in order to teach heraldry and its values, I compare them to something like My Little Pony, where you have these brightly colored children's toys from the 80s resurrected today in a new form, where the horse is defined by a symbol that appears on its haunch, that the symbol relates to its name and also what it does. So for me, that incorporating these kinds of comparisons is key to bridging that gap between older literature and today. But the important thing when using popular culture or contemporary examples, I think, is to treat those contemporary examples with equal rigor that you would treat your original material. So don't just include hokey contemporary examples, but actually treat them seriously. In the humanities, we often say that we're treating students as though they're becoming better citizens. We're giving them this critical capacity for thinking. I think engaging with popular culture is important. This is the culture that's all around them. And giving them the tools to be critical of it while also not dismissing it is important.